And I was like, I'm done. I'm done. Therefore, I call it a passion project because I put everything aside to do make this happen, including a couple of projects that I had to let go of, which I had committed to take pangas with producers.
Hi everyone, I'm Pallavi and welcome to the 21st episode of Bollywood Zoomies with Pallavi. Today I have someone very, very special. You might know him from Gully Boy, A Suitable Boy, Pink, and many, many other shows and movies that he's playing a very dark and grey character in. But now he's breaking the mold with OK Computer, and let's go talk to him. It's none other than Vijay Verma. But my very first question, because obviously we are meeting virtually, and in my show is always whether my guests are wearing proper pants or have they resorted to pajamas. अरे ये तो proper है, wow! Oh, shoes we have. This is too good.
I'm fully professional.
How is it like? Because we are so used to seeing you in these grey shades and like the bad guy. But you are finally being seen in like a comic role, playing like a cop.
Correct. It's absolutely stellar. Like I finished OK Computer and I was filming and I told the directors that I want to only do comedies going forward in life because it's so much fun to shoot. You know, I was dwelling in these dark characters with grey shades and into the minds of people with very diabolical, sadistic qualities.
True.
And I was like, I'm done with these kind of stuff. And it was a very deliberate and a conscious choice to kind of break the mold of what I have been doing in the past and to bring a new identity. Therefore, I call it a passion project because I put everything aside to make this happen, including a couple of projects that I had to let go of, which I had committed to take pangas with producers, prepped like no other job that I had done to make sure that I tell the story.
That's amazing, and we're so glad. But what kind of prep did you put into this particular character?
So it was my first into comedy. So I was very hesitant and very underconfident. Like it's a central role. I started reading for the part in August. And we started filming only in Jan, October, November, December. 5 months of reading and test shoots and trials and costume and this and that before we arrived at a place where we were confident of shooting. So we shot this show before the pandemic, before the lockdown. And we had imagined a future in which there will be several pandemics. So,
that's scary.
It was very eerie for me to finish the shooting in February and we were in a lockdown in March. And see people wearing masks and PPE suits, which were already a part of our show.
You're headlining several other projects this year, all very, very exciting. One of the most recent ones that were announced were obviously Darling. And we heard that Alia Bhatt is who is someone who recommended you. How is that? How is that getting that call? What is your equation with Alia? How is that project coming along?
I was blown by the script, and it's a dark comedy again. It was very nice because very thoughtful of her to think of me in this part. I was like, okay, so this is going to be a huge responsibility. I might as well just deep dive into it.
Wow, that's amazing. And we can't wait to see you in that also. Lots of exciting projects coming up for you. Anyways, I have a segment called Yours Virtually where I make my guests do little tasks. Okay, so if you had to choose one movie from any era of Bollywood that you could be a part of, which movie would you choose and which character would you want to play?
I would love to do Andaz Apna Apna. As Amar or Prem.
Who makes you laugh? You're doing a comedy now. Who is one person you see on screen that makes you laugh?
Johnny Liver, always. And recently he shared a reel in which he's dancing with Jamie and his son and daughter both. Oh my God! What a! I mean, he cracks me up every single time.
He's a legend.
He doesn't even have to do anything. He appears on the screen and we start laughing in anticipation that he's going to do something. And that kind of command over comedy is something that one can only aspire to. So he cracks me up every time.
This is a kind of task Okay, you have to imitate your favorite actor. It could be a dialogue, it could be a dance step, anything. But you have to kind of try and imitate your best impression.
I'll just make a face, okay? You guess.
Okay. Who is this? Is this?
I'm not getting it right.
Is this Ranveer?
I'm doing a very bad job at making Shah Rukh Khan face.
Oh, Shah Rukh! Wow! Name a song that's been recently playing in your head.
I don't know the name, but there's a Tamil song which just came out. It's like tripping. It's like Nicki Minaj kind of a video, and
Oh wait, I know. This is that homegrown song, like with the orange shirt and like that.
yeah, it's crazy.
Okay, yeah. I know what you're talking about.
I've been playing that, and I've also been tripping on. Wait, I'll just tell you the song. I've been tripping on Husn Hai Suhana. Goriya.
Oh,
Churana Mera
old on you.
OG, old.
OG. Yes, Govinda and Karishma.
Yeah, Govinda forever.
Forever. Okay. What's your, matlab, we saw like Shah Rukh's and somewhat Ranveer's selfie pose, but what's your go-to pose when someone's clicking your picture? You have to show us. So sweet. As if on Instagram पे like you're like very intense and like all your photo shoots are very intense, by the way. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to change that now.
Change that now. Okay, changing image. Ek comedy kar rahe ho, ek dark comedy is on the way. So yes, come on. Okay, cool. This is like a Bollywood trivia. You have 5 seconds to name 4 movies with T.
T. Okay, 5 movies. Okay, so unreleased Tux, Tumbad, Tere Mere Sapne, Tum Mere Ho, तुमको न भूल पाएंगे. Tere.
Vijay, so congratulations on the show and all the very best. But please tell the viewers when we can watch it, where we can watch it.
Okay, so this Hotstar special OK Computer series is coming to Hotstar VIP on 26th. All 6 episodes. It's a quick watch, binge, and you can watch it with your family because the clean show doesn't have language nudity or violence. It's palatable for 3-year-old and a 100-year-old. So first time I'm doing a show which can be watched by kids, so please watch.
Yay! Amazing! Thank you so much, Vijay, and all the best for the show, and we can't wait to watch it. Bye,
right.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
So until next Tuesday, make sure you guys like this video, share it with your friends so everybody knows that this is happening, and subscribe to our channel.